Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best needle replacement is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of vinyl record care, but it's absolutely crucial for getting the best sound. Today, we're diving deep into the world of record player needles, specifically focusing on replacements. We'll explore why replacing your needle is so important, how to choose the right one, and how to do it yourself, so you can keep your record sounding their absolute best. Number 5. Record player needle replacement for Crosley, ION, LP. This replacement needle has high output and excellent durability. The diamond stylus provides a clearer, smoother stereo sound. It won't harm your albums. It's compatible with most record players on the market, including Crosley, ION, Pile, and more. Please check the product details to ensure it fits your model, or contact us for confirmation. You don't need any tools to install it. You can easily replace the record needle yourself without any hassle. The needle can typically be used for about 200 to 300 hours, depending on how often you use it. It's recommended to replace it when needed for optimal sound quality. The package includes 1 turntable cartridge and 4 premium replacement needles. Each needle comes with a protective white plastic box. Make sure to compare it with your current needle before purchasing to ensure it's the right fit. What we like. This product boasts high output and excellent durability, ensuring a clear and smooth sound for your records. It is also widely compatible with many record player brands. If you have a variety of record players or are looking for a reliable needle that lasts, this is a great choice. What people say. When I replaced the stylus, it wasn't fixed, but I put on the new whole cartridge that came included in this kit, and now it works like a dream and is super loud. These made our vinyl sound great again, and they were super easy to change out. This fixed it immediately, and I am enjoying records again. Number 4. Replacement needles for Crosley Victrola Jensen record players. Are you looking to enhance your listening experience? These replacement needles are designed to make your vinyl music sound clearer. They are the best choice for your turntable record player. Made with high-quality ABS plastic, an aluminum cantilever, and a ruby stylus tip, this product ensures a premium listening experience. It will not hurt your cherished records. These needles are compatible with popular brands like Crosley, Jensen, and Victrola. If you're unsure, please consult with us before purchasing to ensure it fits your turntable. Replacing the needles is incredibly easy. They play 16, 33, and 45 RPM records. No tools are required, you can install them by hand. The package includes 5 brand new needles, each with a protective cover. This ensures that they arrive in perfect condition, ready for use. We offer a durable storage box to guarantee the needles reach you in good condition. We stand behind the quality of this product. What we like. Made with high-quality ABS plastic and a ruby stylus tip, this product ensures your vinyl music sounds clearer. The easy installation makes replacing the needle a breeze. If you are looking for a simple, high-quality replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. It is definitely compatible, it plays audio clearly, there is some crackling noise if you have your volume low, but it's not terrible. It's perfect for now, and I am very satisfied with this order. The sound difference was shocking, in the best way. These were perfectly priced, and fit without any issue, they clicked right into place. Installation was as simple as could be, and now the record player works as it should and sounds great. No problems so far. Number 3. Golden record needles for Crosley Victrola Jensen turntable. This golden needle looks great and is made with high-end quality. It's compatible with many record players, including Crosley and Victrola. If you're unsure, just ask us. This needle works with most LP record players. It is a great replacement for your old needle. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. The upgraded stylus has a conical ruby tip for strong tracking. This means better bass and performance for your music. It will bring you a better experience. This needle provides a more accurate and pure stereo sound. You'll hear more delicate and quality sound when playing your favorite music. It makes your music sound better. Installing this needle is easy, no tools are needed. It plays 33, 13, 45, and 78 RPM records. The needle is easy to use and can bring you a better experience. Each needle has a protective cap and comes in a durable box. This ensures that it arrives in perfect condition. You don't need to worry about the damage during the delivery. What we like. This product features an exquisite golden appearance and a no-skip design for a better listening experience. It provides a more accurate and pure stereo sound. If you like a stylish and high-performing needle, you should consider it. What people say. Fits perfectly on my PT-01 portable Newmark. Sounds and looks great too. These work so great. I had a record that sounded extremely warped, but after doing some research, I realized that my needle might need to be replaced. I ordered these and the record sounds just as it should. Swapped out the needle with one of these and now plays fine and sounds better. The problem with the Crosley needle is that it is meant to play 78 RPM records, which gave a much larger track groove than 45 or 33 RPM records. This needle is suited to 33 or 45 RPM records. Number 2. Crosley NP1 Replacement Needle. Introducing the genuine Crosley replacement needle. This needle is designed specifically for your Crosley record player, ensuring optimal performance. Featuring a diamond stylus, this needle provides superior sound quality. It ensures that the music sounds clear and crisp. The needle is made with durable ABS plastic composition. This construction ensures the needle's longevity and reliability. This needle plays records at 3 different speeds, 33, 13, 45, and 78 RPM. It is versatile and compatible with a wide range of records. The needle is built to last for thousands of rotations. It provides extended playing time, so you can enjoy your favorite records for longer. What we like. This is a genuine Crosley replacement needle with a diamond stylus. It plays all 3 speeds, ensuring compatibility with your entire record collection. If you have a Crosley record player, this is the perfect replacement. What people say. Snaps on and off easily and has held up well. Was very easy to swap out my broken Crosley needle with this one and it worked as anticipated. The sound is honestly better now than with the old needle. Number 1. Crosley NP6 Replacement Needle. This replacement needle features a sapphire-tipped stylus, ensuring a premium listening experience. It will bring out the best in your records. Made from durable ABS plastic, this needle's shell is both lightweight and sturdy. It's designed to withstand regular use and provide long-lasting performance. Whether you're spinning a 33, 13, 45, or 78 RPM record, this needle has you covered. It's compatible with all standard record speeds. Replacing your old needle is a breeze. No tools are required, making the process quick and simple. You'll be enjoying your music in no time. Inspired by Crosley's century of innovation, this needle blends vintage design with modern technology. It's proudly designed in the USA and backed by USA-based customer support. What we like. This product features a sapphire-tipped stylus for premium playback and is lightweight yet sturdy. The quick installation makes it easy to replace. If you are looking for a high-quality, easy-to-install needle, this is a great option. What people say. Fit the make and model as promised. Sound is great. No issues. Easy to install. Would purchase another one. The appearance was the same look as of the one that came with my record player. Seems like decent quality and haven't had any issues. The sound quality also is pretty good, sounds like the original needle. It was very easy to install. I ordered this for my Crosley turntable, the suitcase one, and it works like new. The music is so clear now. The installation instructions were super easy to follow. 10/10. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.